we can see him. That's it. Some noise. Ah! Where are you going?
You're too close.
You got it in the nuts. Oh, I mean, blade. Ah! Look at that strength. Look at that table muscle.
A little too close. A little too close, Dwight. I can barely get the whole boat in.
What are you doing, Larry?
I'm waiting. Get away from me.
Oh.
Back.
That's great there.
Okay.
That's
it, Larry.
I can zoom if I need to.
Oh, listen to him strain.
Let's hear one of those little raps that you have, Larry.
How about a song? How about a song?
Hum batter.
Let's hear Casey.
Where's Casey Jones when we need him? Can you talk?
His crotch is going to be a little sore.
Get that right in the middle.
A lot of help there.
Okay, feeling that one for a while.
I know. We can talk as bad as we want to. We're not going to see this video.
That's right.
Hang on, Greg.
I got it. I'm fine here.
We're chasing Larry here.
We're up to 12.5 minutes of tape now.
Is it?
Yeah. That's total time.
Here comes a big boat to help us out.
Oh my gosh. That's a good fishing boat.
Well, Larry, what are you doing?
Give it back to him. Give it back to him.
Larry, my hero!
I'm pretty disappointed.
Larry, my hero! Why'd you let it go? Oh, a little bit. It didn't hurt. No. Oh, look at Rick kick his butt! Oh!
Hanging in there right there underneath, isn't it?
Attaboy, Rick! Watch the anchor rope, guys! Larry! Anchor rope! Huh? What? Way up there. Go there, anchor rope. Oh. Rick, follow the camera!
14
Rick,
minutes.
That's it! Salmon Man! Salmon Man catching a bass!
Did you get the last one?
Yeah. Yeah.
How big was that one?
About 7, 8 foot. This little one.
That little one, huh?
This one bigger than that, Rick? Freeze!
Every inhale, you got to exhale.
Couldn't hear you, Rick. Couldn't hear you.
Oh, man! And we got this on film, too!
Straighten off.
You're going to say you caught it.
No stamina, whatever it is.
Yeah, it takes two of us, but we're battling it! I think
This better sure as heck be fit big.
over 40 foot long. I don't think it'll be too long before we be going underneath the bridge in Astoria. You notice the waves are getting bigger now. Not my pole.
That's enough. That's enough.
of just fun. You having fun yet?
This is fun.
What, you relaxing?
This is a big fish.
So you gotta reel him in, Larry.
It's taking line.
Well, we've only got so much film
Oh,
here.
it's taking line big.
16.5 minutes.
It's still going out. It's still going out. Oh, no! Number 3, man. Oh, whippers.
You're not a peak.
Real Sturgeon, man, again. Oh, here we go.
Do it, Keith, do it. You're my hero.
Got one? Oh. Come on, Keith.
Oh,
He's gonna pull Keith under.
take a line again.
Yeah, you get a picture of Keith falling off the boat. He's off balance.
Yeah.
See how he's off balance. He's gonna fall over.
This fish is out.
Just give him a little boot.
This fish is so big. It's bigger than that. It's bigger than that. But Keith is out, kicking some butt right now.
Beep.
Oh, I think the butt kicking just turned. Attaboy, Keith. Really?
There he is.
Oh,
There
he's
he is.
close. Look at the size of that.
Get him.
Oh, did you get that on film?
Yeah.
It's there. We're going 18.5 minutes.
Get closer.
You'll get farther away, not closer.
Ready?
Yeah, I can zoom in farther.
You're all right. You're all right.
Back up.
Okay.
I can't even see it, hardly. You can go around.
Oh, look at that strength down that thing.
That pissed him right off.
Is that too
now.
close? Can you zoom back? I want to see. I want to stay close.
Zoom. I can't zoom back much farther.
Right while we were fighting
Get
this
farther
fish.
away.
Okay.
Farther away.
You're all right. You're all right.
Howdy, neighbor.
What's his name? Larry?
Larry. Larry, that was
Is that your name, Larry?
And Daryl over there, another brother Daryl.
Had him right here by the boat.
Get over there.
Going on 19.5 minutes.
19 and a half minutes, huh?
Well, 19, 20 seconds.
Keep it on one side, go the other, will you? Look at that. Whoa, keep it tight. Hang in there. Oh,
Got a
about
good picture
the
of
same
it.
size. About what we had. A little bigger. Look at that. Look at that,
Pushing
Chris.
on me, pushing on me.
Where's your camera?
Right here around my neck.
Hey, take a picture of your... Oh, good, only one.
Don't
Look.
drop it.
Expertise fishermen can do that. That's it.
All 3 of you take a bow. Was that about like that? Was that about like that?
Okay.
That's about it?
That was it.